Have you tried Ghana fried rock buns? If you haven't, oh my goodness, you are missing a lot because it is so good, delicious, and oh my goodness, I just don't know how to describe it. And today I'm going to share the recipe with you. This was very soft inside, fluffy, and the outside was very crunchy. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome. So I have my 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour. I've added a tablespoon of nutmeg, which was a whole nutmeg I grated, and I added a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and then 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I've added just 3 tablespoons of sugar and then a pinch of salt. If you want to, get it a bit sweeter than mine, you can just increase your sugar by a tablespoon. You know, too much of sugar is not good, and we don't like sugar. So that is why I added just 3 tablespoons. Now I'm going to sieve it. I'm doing this because I later got to know that the nutmeg I grated, there were some particles in the flour, so that is why I decided to grate that. So yes, I was trying to zoom it for you to see. There was a lot of big particles, so I'll just go ahead and strain it very well and then we continue. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes here, so please do not make it the last time of visiting. After watching, please subscribe or follow for more videos. It is totally free, they don't take money. My returning ones, thank you so much for your time. I've added just 2 tablespoons of butter. You can go ahead and then add your margarine if that is what you want. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always making it here. I don't take it for granted. I'm very grateful. So please, after watching this video, do not forget to share to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section and like this video for me. So after mixing everything, this is how it looks, and I'm just going to add my milk to it. This is what I'm going to show you. Add the liquid, whether milk or water. Add it to it bit by bit if you are a beginner, so that you will not get it watery or very hard. Do you get it? So after adding the milk, I will just go ahead and add my coconut flavor. You can actually use any flavor of your choice. So I will add my vanilla as well and then mix everything. If you have pineapple flavor, you can add that as well. That also adds some flavor, good flavor to your rock buns. Yes, and just look at that, so beautiful. Now we are done mixing it, and this is how it looks. So we have the oil on fire, and the fire is not very high. It is between low and medium. I just want to put it that way for you so that you can understand it. So you just get it like this and then you drop it in the oil. As you can see, the dough is not hard. The dough is not hard and it is not watery. So after making it, or after it is done, you are going to get perfect rock buns. It is going to be very soft and very delicious and then crunchy outside. So let's start frying. I'll just dip it in like this and then we are good to go. You make sure the oil is enough to cover it. And immediately you drop it, it will float because of the baking powder and the baking soda we used. Should you don't have baking soda, you can only use the baking powder. Yeah, you are good to go. Should you don't have the baking powder, you can use the baking soda only, but you make sure the quantity, if you are supposed to use like a tablespoon of baking powder, the baking soda shouldn't be a tablespoon, because baking soda is very strong. So I would say maybe a tablespoon of baking powder to half tablespoon of baking soda. Okay, and just look at how crunchy they look. So beautiful. So I'll go ahead and then flip it, and now they look so good. I removed that from the oil and then fried the second batch, and the second batch is also ready. Just look at that. With that, I made it a bit bigger than the first one, and this was so nice. This got finished within some few minutes, and trust me, the family fell in love with it. Thank you so much for what? Did I do that? Oh my goodness, I've come to fry my hand. It is ready anyway. Thank you so much. I intentionally didn't cut it from the video. Thank you so much for watching, and just look at that, so soft. Oh my goodness. And it was nice, as I was saying earlier. Try this recipe and let me know how it went. See you in the next one. I love you.